I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am decking the halls. Or more specifically, I am trying to make my fake Christmas tree look more real by using fresh greenery right here from my home garden. So I don't use just fresh material for decorating the tree. I also have dried things that I've gathered throughout the summer and fall season from the foodscape. And this includes things like dried poppy pods and my favorite hydrangea paniculata blooms. Now this year I've decided to go with a silver theme, kind of like a silver lining during the COVID era. But the truth is, the reason I'm doing that is simple. I have a lot of silver spray paint, and I don't want to go to a box store right now because the virus is spreading so fast. So I'm using what I have, and I'm going to make the best of it, which is precisely what we've all been doing as we've survived this global pandemic thus far. So I'm just bundling the dried poppy pods together and tying them with a rubber band. And you know, it's inevitable that I will get some snarky comment about not liking the spray paint. You know, that's the thing. You can do this for your own taste. I use dried poppy pods, natural, in my house for decorating all year long. And for the holidays, I like that little extra sparkle, which is why I use a bit of metallic spray paint. But if that's not your taste, you don't have to do it. The idea is simple. It's just that you're using elements from your garden to, you know, decorate for the season. And that's really the lesson here. The process is you sow these seeds of the poppies now. They grow all winter, and then in the spring you can collect these dried pods to use for decoration any season, and you can do whatever you like with them. But they're a really beautiful natural element that I think is a really cool way to bring my hard work from the garden inside so I can enjoy it in a very unique and beautiful way.